You think your content will get noticed just because it's freaking awesome? Why, yes I do. Well, think again. Without YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, even the best videos can get buried and never seen. In this episode, I'm breaking down the basics of YouTube SEO so you can get your videos seen, clicked, and watched. Let's turn your content into a discovery magnet. Hey there, it's James Santiago and welcome back to Learn Content Crafting. Today, we're diving into getting your videos found, YouTube SEO. From keywords to killer thumbnails, I'll show you how to optimize your content to attract viewers and grow your channel. Let's jump right in. Part 1, understanding keywords and tags. SEO starts with knowing what your audience is searching for. Here's how to do it. Find the right keywords. Use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to research popular search terms in your niche. Look for keywords with high search volume but low competition. Incorporate keywords strategically. Add your main keyword in the video title. Use it within the first 2 lines of your description and sprinkle related terms throughout. Include it in your tags to help YouTube categorize your video. Example, instead of a vague title like how to cook pasta, try easy spaghetti recipe, how to cook pasta like a pro. See the difference. Part 2, optimizing titles and descriptions. Your title and description are like a movie trailer. They need to grab attention while being keyword friendly. Titles, keep them short and clickable, 60 characters or less. Use numbers or power words like how to, best, easy. For example, how to be cute like me, or the best way to cook your iPhone, or the easy way to piss off your parents. Alright, these are obviously bad examples and I'm just trying to be funny, but you get the point on how to use them. Front load your keywords for impact. Descriptions. Use the first 2 lines to hook viewers and include your main keyword. Add timestamps, links, and a call to action like subscribe for more tips. Keep it organized. YouTube loves clean description.
Commercial break.
Are you tired of the low yields on interest on your savings account? SoFi's high yield savings account might just be what you need. As of this recording, SoFi offers an impressive 4.2% annual yield, one of the best rates out there. Plus, sign up using my referral link in the description down below and you could qualify for a special cash bonus. But here's the important part. Make sure to do your own research to confirm your eligibility and that this account meets your financial needs. I'm sharing this as an option, but I'm not a financial advisor and I can't be held responsible for your banking decisions. So explore, decide, and make the best choice for your goals. Let's get back to the video. Part 3, tools to simplify SEO research. Here's where TubeBuddy and VidIQ come in clutch. These tools help you analyze competitor videos, generate keyword ideas, score your tags for SEO effectiveness. Pro tip, use their browser extensions to see what keywords successful videos in your niche are using. It's like peeking behind the curtains of other YouTube channels. Part 4, creating engaging thumbnails. Now let's talk about thumbnails. Your first impression matters. Keep it bold and simple. Use high contrast colors and easy to read text. Your thumbnail should stand out even at a tiny size. Show emotion or action. Faces with expressions or action shots grab attention. Consistency is key. Use the same font style or colors across all your thumbnails for branding. Bonus tool, Canva is perfect for creating thumbnails quickly and professionally. Most likely you're not going to get this right at first. Every video you upload after a few days, the click-through rate will tell you how your thumbnails have been performing. Under 5% is not that good. About 5 to 10% is pretty good. And 10% and above is excellent. So if you got that 10% and above click-through rate, then you pretty much got it and you might as well stick to that formula that you used to generate that 10% and over click-through rate. Part 5, watch time and audience retention. Finally, YouTube rewards videos that keep people watching. Here's how to boost your stats. Hook viewers early. start with something exciting or valuable in the first 15 seconds. Alright, I want you to go back and check out the hook on this video that you're watching right now. It's the first 27 seconds. Go ahead, I'll wait. Did you see how I was trying to catch your attention by bringing comedy? I was right away trying to address the problem that I was pointing out on my thumbnail and on the title, which is how to do SEO on YouTube. You see how I had that background music to catch people's emotions, to get people to watch and continue watching. That's a hook. Structure your content. Use clear sections and transitions to keep viewers engaged. Encourage viewers to watch another video with end screens or links in your description. Comment below. Is this problem fixable or is it too late? And as always, if you found this video insightful, you'll probably enjoy watching the next video on the screen. For more finance, remember, the longer people watch, the more YouTube will recommend your video to others. YouTube SEO might seem tricky, but with the right strategies, it's your ticket to growth. Try these tips on your next video and let me know how it works in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more creator tips. Let's all learn content crafting together. I'll see you in the next video.